Hey guys, excited about this one today. I was on vacation with my family and we discovered a game called Pickleball, which is an interesting game similar to tennis, but much easier to play for all ages. I was able to play with my kids and just pick up the game really quickly here. And instead of tennis balls, well, let's unbox, shall we? Instead of tennis balls, you use wiffle balls, and these wiffle balls, they're a little bit thicker, they bounce, and they're easier to get to. It's a little bit slower game. Like I said, anybody can play. So I thought this set would be useful here. Looks like they give replacement grips, which is nice in this set. And here we have one paddle. Feels solid. It's lightweight, but it's a solid paddle here. So let's see. And they're both matching paddles. Same thing, very solid, lightweight. And this is USA Pickleball approved, right? And can't wait to get out and give this a try. This is a pretty complete set and an easy way to sort of get going on it. All you need is a pickleball court, or I've seen some people play with a portable net in gymnasiums, things like that. And it's really nice that they include this carrying case here. We'll put everything back in it. Has an external net there. Carrying bag, looks like you can carry it this way or sling it over your shoulder like that. And really, that's all you need to take with you to get a game going. So, looking forward to getting out and playing with this, and nice set.